wash marks on this cool towel that I've turned into a curtain. Well, my landlady has told me, guess what, these are white. Maybe they don't look white, but they are. I could do the same. I could do my little splat thing on there, just like what I did on the floor when I resurfaced this floor. Right? And yes, the floor seems to be kind of red, but it's not a red. It's kind of you see it better there. But that was better than the other choice of building paper, which was brown. Ugh. Okay, alrighty. So we got rid of the red trash can. We had borrowed a white trash can, and now we have, I guess it's called nickel. For some reason I thought it was going to be made of nickel. But anyway, it's a pretty decent trash can. I like it. Little step thing. I like that part. And so we got the, the turquoise and now the bright pink. I like that introduction of color. That's cool. So now we got this kind of stuff going. See? Okay, that says, don't worry, beach happy. And got the, the flamingos, and we got the turquoise and the pink. Okay, that's cool. We even have, yep, I've had like this turquoise dish set, for quite a long time. I like it a lot. It's really kind of classy. And I recently found some turquoise glasses and a nice turquoise bottle for this summer. It looks like it has ice in it, but it doesn't. It's just kind of a double thing. And so now what I'm looking for is some cutlery that has turquoise handles. And I don't just mean opaque. I mean, well, hang on, I'll show you. I used to have a whole set, like what you're seeing here and what I have in my hand. See, you can see right through it. So it's this translucent plastic handle. This one has like edges and everything. It's not like just plain round. So, thus far in my hunt, I haven't found anything like this cutlery. It's the best. I want it again. I will find it. Or maybe one of you out there will say, hey, Sunshower, I know right where you can get these kinds of forks, spoons, and knives. Yeah. Okay, bye for now.